Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this segment, and this might even be better using the blend tool. I haven't done this in a while, but you got your blend, you click on it, and it comes up here, and you can split the current blend into 2 separate blends. It's going to give you this little bitty handle. You click on that blend, grab the pick tool. Let's zoom in here. Grab the pick tool and you can move this blend to here. Now we could maybe even try rotating it and see what happens. It'll rotate them all. And if you did this, that's good enough for the video, and like this corner isn't like that. So let's do that because we're trying to get the most out of the star. So hit the blend. Let's pick this one. And then go to your pick tool and pick it. And then you can go right here, and then, I didn't do this a while ago, but you could rotate it. Some of them are, okay, there's a problem. They're getting progressively smaller. And let's just start over, because I'll show you why that is. Let's get one that's for real. Let's break blend apart. We had this happen a while back, and I could not figure it out, and I finally figured it out. Go to range and ungroup all. Let's just, we need to select it all, go to range, break the 16 objects apart. I'm just trying to get one of the good blends back, one of the good pieces. And that looks like that is. So we're going to start all over, and I'm going to show you what happened. You see those progressively got smaller. And the reason for that, so we're just going to start over. This is, we're going to go up here and we're going to contour. And then maybe, in case you didn't watch the first one, we're going to go to effects, contour just to the inside a 1/4 inch. Go up to a range and break contour apart, and then we can grab our contour. And I think what happened a while ago, if you notice, if you take this cornering start, and I'm actually going to try to square this thing up. Our arrow is pointing this way. So we want the next one, Control D, just like that. Somehow I must have mirrored it or something. Let's go to the blend tool. Effects, blend, we want 48 of them, apply, go out here, blend new path, put it on our path, blend along full path, and hit apply. Now it did it that way for now, but since we're going to break these into 2 paths, we need to kind of, so this might not work 100%. We're going to split. And we're going to grab that one right there. We're going to grab the shape tool. And for the video, I'm not going to rotate them. And then you're going to have to go again. So far, we're all the same size. Split. Pick that one. Grab your shape tool, your pick tool, and put it to that corner. It's doing pretty much the rest of them in between, so we need to do this one over here. And then it might be safer just to do it individually after you get this done. Let's do one more. Let's put this on the corner. So you have to click on your blend, hit your split, click, select the one you're going to move, get your pick tool and move it. Now we have light sockets on all corners. We are going to group this together just to make sure, and we're going to hit P and put it in the center of the page. We are going to ungroup it, and we're going to select it all again and go to range and break the 13 objects apart. And then hit on our line and hit delete. that's going to be your best way and easiest way to do that. But you'd still want to check, you know, like that's a little bit farther up. We've got them broken apart. Your nudge distance is 0.001. And this is the time that you could rotate those things around. Anyway, kind of a fun project. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for